In this video, we are going to learn about percents. So first off, what is a percent? A percent just means out of 100. So say we had 10%, this would mean 10 out of 100, which we can write as a fraction, 10 over 100. We can also write 10% as a decimal. To do that, we would just move the decimal place 2 spots to the left, and we would get 0.10. So this would be 10%. So we can either write it as a fraction or a decimal. So we're going to do a few examples. The first one we have is, what is 30% of 110? So we're going to say these sneakers are $110, and we want to know if we get a 30% discount, how much off would that be? So to do that, there's two different ways. So the first way is we can use an equation. So the equation is part over whole equals our percent over 100. So in this case we have 30%, so that's going to be our percentage, and the 100 will stay the same. And then 110 is going to be the whole, because this is the total price of the shoes. So we have 110 as the whole, and we're looking for the part, so we're just going to call that X. So we have 110 times 130, 10 times 30, equals X times 100. So 100X. And then we're just going to multiply, so 110 times 30, and that'll give us 3,300. And then we're going to divide both sides by 100. So this will give us 33. So we're going to save $33 on these shoes. So the other way to do this is we can use algebra. So we're just going to look at this sentence, and we're going to convert this sentence into words. So we have what. What, we don't know what that is, so we're just going to put X for that part. So we have X. Then we have is. So is, we always have the equal sign, so we have X equals. Then we have 30%, we're going to write that as our decimal, so 0.3. And of, that means multiply, so 0.3 times, and then we have 110. So if you do 0.3 times 110, this will also give us $33. So those are the two different ways to solve percent types of problems. So we'll do one more example. So we have, in a survey of 80 nursing students, 45 said they were nervous about taking statistics, and we want to find what percent this is. So we have 80 nursing students, and 45 said they were nervous, and we're looking for the percent. So doing again our part over whole equals our percent over 100. So this one we don't know what the percent is. So it's what percent, so we're going to put X for the percent. And there was a total of 80 nursing students, so that's the whole. And we have 45 were the ones that were nervous. So again, we can do cross multiply, so 45 times 100 equals 80X, and 45 times 100 will give us 4,500, and then we have equals the 80x. I'm going to divide by 80. And we'll end up with 56.25%. So just over half of the nursing students were nervous about taking statistics.